Peggy Morgan, one of the owners of Morgan's Towing and Repair out of Epping, New Hampshire. We started Towbooks in 2016. It's been an awesome program, tracking calls, scheduling calls, doing quotes. I do a lot of the payroll, so looking up commission reports is very, very easy. You have a question, you ask them within 15 minutes, you normally have an answer. And AAA now has converted to using Towbooks, which has been amazing. The drivers don't have to worry about tablets anymore. They do it right off Towbooks, which makes a major big difference. It's very easy for figuring out your money at the end of the day, at how many calls each driver has done. Commission reports are great. Just overall, looking up a receipt if a customer has lost theirs for insurance purposes has been phenomenal. Impounds, police calls, dispatcher call to a driver. If you need to change drivers, it's very easy to do that. As I said, scheduling appointments for a driver is very, very easy. And the drivers, if they need to put calls in, it's very easy for them to use also. So I use the quote feature all the time. And it's very easy to convert them. They give you that button to convert it. Same thing with scheduling. Scheduling appointments for 2 weeks out has been amazing. Setting up accounts, you can do any account you need. One feature I have found, which is really good, is the address book. If you have an account that goes to multiple locations, you can put them all in there, so it works quite well. If you don't have the program, you should definitely sign up. It is a lifesaver, and it saves a lot of paper.